Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. It's Sunday, so let's get you going on what's going to be a nice summer day all the way around. No showers, no thunderstorms, plenty of sunshine, great beach day, great outdoor day. Whatever you have planned, go right ahead with it because we don't see any complications. This current map from 7 a.m., one of the things that we are noticing is that there's actually a very weak cold front that is coming through. It's very, very hard to find, but the winds just sort of gently go around from west southwest to west or northwest, and there's no radar activity going on with it. What we are noticing are the dew points actually dropping down slightly. We're seeing dew points along the coast in the upper 60s and low 70s. So you look at the dew points that are up to the north and west, and they're mostly in the low 60s. So we're going to see humidity levels a shade lower. But on the other hand, we are going to also see temperatures running a shade higher today. We'll probably see readings break above the 90-degree mark in many locations, including the coast, because I don't know how much of a sea breeze there's going to be. But from northeast Virginia throughout much of southern Pennsylvania, northeastward into southern New England, you're looking at high temperatures, mostly in the upper 80s and low 90s. And again, the humidity will be down ever so slightly, which will make it a little bit more uncomfortable, a little bit more comfortable today. And I think we're going to hold on to that theme for the next couple of days before we start to see the humidity levels go up substantially. Monday will be a bit cooler than today, middle to upper 80s. That's about average for this time of year from northeastern Virginia through southern Pennsylvania to New York City to southern New England. Gets a little bit cooler as you go further to the north. And then Tuesday, we're going to take numbers up a notch as we go back to the upper 80s to around or just over 90. Wednesday is when I think we're going to see temperatures on the hot side, upper 80s to lower 90s. Might see a few places push up to about 93 or 4 in and around New York City, Philadelphia, and Washington. And also on Wednesday, this is where we're going to start to throw in the chance for a thunderstorm. Actually, for Tuesday late afternoon in some areas in southern Pennsylvania westward, there's a slight chance that there could be an isolated storm. But I think the greater chances for thunderstorms will come for later Wednesday. And then also for Thursday and for Friday, we're going to hold on to the hot weather, upper 80s to low 90s as we push our way toward the end of the week. And then a more important cold front will be coming through as we head toward Friday and for Saturday. Just a couple of things going on this morning with respect to Tropical Storm Barry, which will soon be downgraded to a tropical depression. We have been seeing this sort of elongated, stretched out north-south or east-west orientation in the life cycle of this storm. It really prevented it from getting too strong, barely made it to minimal hurricane status, and really that was more technicality than anything else. The real emphasis here has been on the rainfall all along, and you see the radars how busy they are from the southeast, from the southwest Gulf of Mexico on northeastward through Louisiana. If you look closely on the rotation here, you can see where the actual center of Barry is. It's well inland north and northwest of the coast. But all the heavy rains are going on from the center eastward, and there's some particularly heavy downpours moving into southern Louisiana now, in and around and west of Lafayette, between Lafayette and Lake Charles. And there's also been some heavy rain in southeast Louisiana over New Orleans and northward up into Mississippi. So all of this is going to continue today with areas getting half a foot of rain or more. Would not be at all a surprise. Elsewhere in the tropics, just to give it a good look here on the tropical Atlantic, the wave, there's the weak wave that was in the tropical Atlantic. It's still there, but shows absolutely no signs of organization. We're starting to see a little bit of activity picking up as you go eastward toward the African coast, the intertropical convergence zone shifting northward. So I'm thinking we're probably going to start to see activity increase in the coming 10 days to 2 weeks, but there's nothing that poses a threat of developing anytime soon. And here's our satellite view this morning, just about free of clouds, a few patchy clouds here and there. Otherwise, we're enjoying a fair amount of sunshine on what will be a nice sunny day. And as we take you through this week very quickly, Barry is never really a factor here. We are going to be with high pressure offshore and a west-southwest flow. We start to get into that chance for a shower or thunderstorm. A weak system approaches on Wednesday with a pretty solid chance of showers and storms late in the day. Might see them again late on Thursday. And then as we go into Friday, and for Saturday, for next weekend, I think this is where we're going to start to see a series of weather fronts coming through. There's one coming through Friday night and Saturday, and then there's another stronger one that comes through for Sunday night into Monday of next week. So our weather pattern continues the way pretty much it has been. It's going to be a very summery week ahead here. So be sure to tune in for all the latest weather information right here on Weather in 5, up every day, 5 days in 5 minutes. I'm back from vacation, so everything's going to be back to normal beginning today. And you can check the latest weather conditions, of course, on my weather app. You can download that on Google Play or on the App Store. It's absolutely free. And we will be updating the app shortly and website posts throughout the day. So have a great day, everybody.